Hello, my friends. Tonight I am going to do a couple of ring pours on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I'm not going to do the drizzle. I'm going to sit on my hands if necessary. I just want a ring pour. So keeping my fingers crossed for that. I'm going to be using Dan Hodge's wonderful mix again that I used for this painting did the other day. I was so pleased with the way it kept the rings nice and crisp, and the drizzles look so dimensional and all. I'm just very pleased with the way it dried quickly and crisply. So that's what I'm using again today. I'll put his PM down below in the description. Let me say something about mixing your paints ratios, if I may. I use a scale. To me, it just makes sense. I've been pouring for years, so I could eyeball it. I have nothing against anyone who wants to do that. But to me, it makes sense to use a scale. Once you figure out your ratios, for example, if this one is 3 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, there's no guesswork. You weigh 1 ounce, for example, and add 3 ounces of PM, mix it up, and it's perfect. It might be 2.5 for this one, it might be 3.5 for that, and then maybe you have to add a little water, but you make notes. But anyway, your basics, it goes much faster if you use a scale, in my estimation. So I would suggest that, you know, as a time saver. But that's just the way I do it. Okay, I'm going to load up the paints now. Some people are asking about how that's done, so I usually have it done ahead of time, but I will let you watch. Okay, I'm gonna do something a little different. I did a practice run on this on a small canvas, and I liked it so much I didn't videotape it. I wish I had done it large because it came out so good. So I'm hoping this one will be similar. And see if I can remember what I did. Let's see, is that nice and center there? I think so. Okay, I poured 2 colors in at once. Black and yellow. So they're side by side in the cup. Okay, then turn around and go again. And a 3rd time. Isn't that fun? While I have them in my hand, let me go ahead and do this cup as well. I don't have as much. Whoa, a lot more yellow and black there. I'm very left-handed, so it's a little awkward doing this, but you get the drift. Okay. Then I'm going to top them off with this blue. This is Cerulean Blue. No custom colors today. I'm just trying to keep it simple as possible. Oh, I hate to disturb that, but got to do it. Here we go. Gonna gently cover it up with blue. Decent layer of it. Okay, I pretty much used up the black and yellow, but I have a little blue left I'll reserve in case I need that. Okay, now let's just kind of want that those blobs interfering with anything. Okay, now I'm not going to pour them at the same time. I think 2 cups are going to be sufficient. So let's begin. I'm gonna try to pour it where so that, you know, there's half yellow, half black. You know what I'm trying to say. I don't know how to describe it. Here we go. Come on now. Oh, there it comes. You're not missing anything. I'm just not very talkative right now. Hate to get halfway through a video and say something really stupid and I don't know how to edit it out, so it's best I don't say anything sometimes. Okay. Interesting. Got those weird lines on there. I think maybe my cup dragged through it, or my fingers or something. Okay. We'll go again. One of these had more blue in it, I think, than the other, didn't it? Not sure. Wow, it really seemed to mix more while it was sitting in the cup. Or not. Okay, and I'm going to stop here. All right, what have we got? Well, got a little green where the yellow and blue mixed up, and black and yellow make a greenish color as well. Okay, let me think of what I'm going to do. I'm just going to move them together initially. I like that blue. I don't want to lose it. So I'll send it down to the corner and then try to pull it back. Maybe over there and come back. had the idea of just experimenting with limited colors, just to keep it simple. You know, that expression. I like that strip of blue down the center, because I lost it everywhere else. I think I better do something with that blue. I need more to tie it all together. Okay, I'm gonna add it here. Some right here. Just want to see how it looks. This is not how I would finish it, but I just want to get an idea if I were to leave that a big blue negative space, would I like that or not? Maybe. Hard to tell. Let me fix that corner. Maybe just one of the corners, huh? I don't want bookends. Let me bring that down. Smooth that out. Bring it over the corner there. The edge. Bring it back. Do I want that blue? I think I do. Try to be smart about this and use up some drippings. Uh-oh. I didn't move my painting that I'm so in love with. It's dangerously close to the table here. I'm going to grab it by that corner, drop it on the floor. There we go. All right. Have it out of the camera view a little bit. That's better. I'm not sure what happened here, but I like a lot of the effects. I think I like this vivid blue corner down here, and that it gets darker as it goes up. I will not drizzle. I will not drizzle. Oh, folks, I wish I could hear what you're thinking. That center there bothers me. This one looks pretty good, and that one's got a little weirdness to it, those lines, but, you know, I could always touch it up if it bothers me that much. When it's dry, I could come in and fix that. So, you know what? I think I'm going to stop. It's unique enough that I'm fairly happy with it. Let me take my gloves off and take you down for close-up. Look at that. Oops, there's my ring light. I think I'm going to take a break from videotaping for a while and try to figure out some of these technical things because I'm just terrible at it. So, well, there you have it. It's pretty easy. And I think it's rather dramatic. I expect it's going to dry nicely and not change too much. I'll show you in the next video. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.